Hey there guys, so when I first built my computer I promised you all a video, and unfortunately I guess I did not deliver. I did not deliver as a whole. I took some pictures and I put them up, and I did a couple of things. I just can't remember what I did. I think I did like a little shaky ass video. It was like, oh look, my computer, some shit like that. But now I got a new computer case, so this is, I guess, a video of me kind of transferring the motherboard into the new case and kind of hooking it up. It's a little bit long, but it'll be a time lapse. Hopefully you all enjoy this, and hopefully it makes up for about 2 years ago when I actually built my computer.